Hey everybody, just gonna come to you with what's left of Hurricane Beryl. It's turned to a tropical storm, and this is what we got. We get wind that just comes and it sounds like a roar, like a train is coming. It gets closer, 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 and it's just all wind. And right now it's very calm. The temperature is amazing. It's like 69 degrees. I'm sitting out on the porch, watching it come through. We've been out of electricity for, gosh, almost 3 hours now. So here it comes. I can hear the roar coming from a distance. It's crazy when it does it. I hope everybody else is well. Anybody else out there that lives in the path, I hope you're safe. Because just this tropical winds that we're getting is insane. It is crazy. It's all starting to kind of die down a little bit now. It's not as rough as what it was earlier. But I didn't come out earlier because that wind was pretty fierce. And our weatherman said that we would have like breaks where the sun's trying to come through. And it's like trying to right there. It's all brighter. But he said, don't let it fool you that there's lots more behind it. But anyways, I just kind of wanted to get on here and let everybody know we're good. I'm sitting on the porch, just watching it come through. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather. Just perfect. The tree fell down a while ago and my son went to go start cutting it up, but he said it's never going to be this nice and cool to cut up a tree. So he started cutting it up and he's got to go get more fuel. There's been trees down all over our town. Several across roads, several across houses. But so far from what I hear, nobody has been hurt. And that's a good thing. And it's pushed cars off into ditches, but not anything horrible. So we're very fortunate. The rain, when it was raining earlier, the rain was going sideways because of the wind pushing it. And that was kind of crazy. There was a tornado about 45 minutes from where we live in the little town. And it got some houses and stuff, so it has been quite eventful. But I hope everybody's well and safe. Where JLR, if you watch him and follow him, he was there when it made landfall, and right where the eye was going to come across was in Matagorda. Well, that's about 18 minutes from my mother-in-law's house, but they got out of town, so I'm glad they did. They had bad flooding and lots and lots of, see the dark skies coming there. So, and up there's dead trees, 2 dead trees right there. They haven't fallen at all. But yeah, as you can see back there, and it's a coming. I don't know if you can hear it. It is a roar. It makes a roar sound, man. kiddos go to school. Oh, something went down over there. Maybe it was just a trash can. Oh. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Go check on the kiddos. They're bored. We gotta figure out what we can do, what we can play. But I hope everybody's safe out there. I will get with y'all again soon. I love you all so much. Y'all be safe. Bye.